let's make this delicious Turkish bread. Take 1 cup lukewarm milk in a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons sugar and 1 tablespoon yeast and mix it. Now add 2 cups flour and 1 teaspoon salt and mix it a little bit. Then add 2 tablespoons cooking oil. The oil should be flavorless. Now, smoothly knead the dough. Knead as well as possible. Let it rest for 30 minutes so the yeast will make it fluffy. Now, press the dough softly to release the gas inside. Divide the dough into 5 parts and make dough balls out of them. Let the dough balls rest for 10 minutes. Hey, please like the video. After 10 minutes, take out the dough balls. Now, gently roll out the balls and make them round and flat. Don't make them thin. Make sure the rolled out dough is thick. Now, cook both sides of the bread for 5 to 6 minutes on medium flame. Here, our Turkish bread is ready. Now, let's give it a final touch. Mix melted butter and chopped coriander leaves. And brush it over the bread. Here, our delicious Turkish bread is ready to serve. Hope you all like it. Make sure to subscribe my channel. Love you all. See you in the next video.